I resume winding it up. There's a selector here. I scored this old clock. I had to fix something on the switchboard and this clock was laying on the bottom, so I scored this clock. And see, it works. It's an old Ghielmetti clock, made in Switzerland. It's actually really cool clocks, these. I had some in the Netherlands. I know there's no pins in here, but this is the operating switch. 24-hour dial, but I've got some pins floating around somewhere. I know they got really nice. Oh, this is a 230. Hang on, get the camera on there, right? 230 volts and 400 volt option. They got a type of vibrating movement in here to wind the springs. Just looking at the contact configuration, these two go to the on-off switch, so my guess is that's the phase, that's the neutral. Just gonna confirm it by taking the clock out of the casing. I got quite a few of these floating around somewhere in my archives. He really well made, these clocks, and these this thing is supposed to oscillate. And once we wedge it, wound up the spring. So we're going to test it out shortly, and I found already rattling. One pin is there, and the other pin is here. These pins used to have different colors too, I remember. They were green, yellow, red, I think. Power connections confirmed, and that is the voltage selector on this device. Wires connected up. Let's energize the device, see if it works. I'll turn it over, I can hear it hum. There we go, I can see it on here. There's a vibrating oscillator in here. Spring is being wound up here. Uses, this is the load, 4.9 watts, 20 milliampere. I'm pretty sure this should have stopped by now. Defect. De-energized device, I'm pretty sure I should have. Well, the escapement is running. I may need to run a bit longer, I'm not too sure. Because the old ones, I remember there was about 3 or 4 clicks and then it stopped. Just after I stopped the camera, it stopped. So it's charged up now. Okay. This is beautiful Swiss engineering. You can see it, but got a second dial, got a minute dial on here, little clocks. It's like, see if we can take the cover off. This is Swiss engineering at its best, really, if you look at it. Beautiful. Really different clocks with seconds indication. Zero, zero, beautiful. There will be bearings. Very well made drive mechanism. This thing here is the speed adjuster. You can adjust this gear wheel here, which drives dead, and it moves the arm for faster and slower. Amazing. I need to wind this up, get a bit of tension on the spring. Right, going back in this casing. To tension this one up, you need to wind this up a bit, so you get the springs on the same distance. Seems to be good. Making a dial like this is amazing too. All these holes have been drilled out by the size metric 2 or metric 1.5. Swiss had some drilling rigs for these devices. The clock is running. I'll set it on the right time, see how much it's gonna drift. Time now is 11:32. That's about 11:32. I'll see how she goes. It's about 22 minutes past 2, and we have a look at that Ghielmetti clock is still going. Missed the rollover on this one. It's about the Ghielmetti is still ticking. I'll have a look how the timekeeping is. And it's keeping time, 14:22 more or less. That's good. Our clock is keeping good time, nearly 1700, and it's about 10 to 5. Right, this is about a day later, so we're going to check quickly. Well, it's keeping good time. Spot on. Probably I can energize it again and see if it vibrates up again. Connect it up to a source of power, and we're going to energize the device. Just enjoy the sound. That's recovered already. Thanks for watching. The Ghielmetti Solothurn Timeswitch. That's not ready yet.